Hey guys, this is Scott Horne, and this video is going to just briefly talk about the next step after buying a house subject to the existing debt. What should you do? If you like the video, don't forget to take a moment and like it. If you got any comments, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. So let's not get into the contractual side of things. We've talked about that before. Or your closing. But now you have closed the transaction, and we need to deal with the back end part of a subject to deal. First and foremost, make sure your mortgage documents, your deed and your deed of trust have been recorded of record. Get copies of those. Next, make sure your insurance is in place properly. I believe that if you're buying a property, you should be the named insured on a policy. If you are not and there is a loss, it is possible they could deny your claim. Now, when buying subject to with insurance, as you've heard us talk about a million times before, the seller needs to be named as an additional insured, and of course the lender involved as the primary loss payee. If you've got a secondary lender, a private lender, whatever it might be, they would of course be the secondary loss payee. But know your insurance options correctly along the way. Next is making sure you get things set up properly with the mortgage company. Guys, I am not a fan of sending in a power of attorney. I'm not a fan of sending in an authorization form. Way too many TCs, the transactional coordinators, do that. And all you're doing is raising red flags with a lender asking, why are they doing this? I like to make sure I get the password from the seller if they have one, or set one up where we can both navigate the online site correctly. Go online through that site and change the mailing address of the mortgage statement so it comes to you direct, whatever your office is or your home, what it might be. Make sure you can handle things up there. Change the phone number that they have in there for record, because they're now going through usually a double identification process, not just your email address, your name, or even the last four of the social. They also are now calling or texting for confirmation as well, just because of the amount of fraud in the industry. But getting those basics done like that so you can navigate things, so you get the information, the mortgage statement sent to you, any notices that the mortgage company needs to send out, a change of payment notice, what it might be, you need to ensure you can stay on top of that. And the best way to do that is to navigate it online whenever possible without touching a real person, because every time you do that in a mortgage company, they're going to log it in. Every time they receive a document, POA, authorization form, they're logging it in. And my question always becomes, is that raising any type of a red flag or not? So guys, I hope you found this helpful real quick on the back end of a subject to transaction, the short version. If you liked the video, don't forget to take a moment and like it. If you got any comments, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Guys, hope you found this helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you all next time.